Good, mor- Good morning, my dear students. I am Dr. Meeta Patel. Today's class is Multiple Pregnancy. Introduction. Multiple pregnancy means the simultaneous development of more than one fetus in the uterus. History. Mayer in 1952 found authentic record of 6, 7, 8, 9 and even 13 fetuses resulting from one pregnancy. Occuplet born near Singhai in 1947 were said to be all alive at birth and only one dead. Multiple pregnancy consists of two or more fertilization events. Single fertilization followed by splitting of zygote and even combination of both. Incidence found in 4 in 1000 births. Helen's law. According to Helen's, twin pregnancy is found in 1 in 80s, triplet 1 in 80 squares and quadruplet 1 in 80 cubes and so on. Conjoined twins, that is 1 in 60,000s. The incidence of twins is highest in Nigeria 1 in 20 and lowest in Far East countries. Incidence in India is 1 in 80. Incidence of twins is increasing in India because of use of ovulation inducing drugs like gonadotropin and clomiphene. Impact. Twins accounts for 17% of all preterm births, 24% of all low birth weight infants, 26% of very low birth weight infants. Women with twin pregnancy are 6 times more likely to be hospitalized with complications. Etiology. The black race are more common and multiparity. It is more found in multiparous women. Now, going into detail, it is important to understand some important terms related to twin pregnancy. Zygosity means the type of conception. It may be dizygotic 75% or monozygotic 25%. Dizygotic arises from fertilization of two ova by different sperms. Monozygotic, they arise from splitting of single fertilized ovum and hence are always be the same sex and look alike. Chorionicity means the type of placenta. In dizygotic twins, each twin has its own placenta. Chorion and amnion in dizygotic twins are always dichorionic diamniotic, that is, two chorion and two amnion. In monozygotic twins, the time at which the fertilized ovum divides decides the chorionicity. Dizygotic or non-identical twins, also known as binovular, fraternal or two-egg twins. It is found in two-thirds of twins. Fertilization of two independently released ova by two different sperms. In all polyzygotic multiple pregnancies, each zygote develops its own amnion, chorion and placental circulation and hence will be polychorionic. It is not true twins. As shown in the figure is dichorionic diamniotic twins. Monozygotic twins, also known as uniovular identical or single egg twins. It is found in one-third of twins, arise from the splitting of single fertilized egg within the first 14 days after fertilization always have same sex. It does not necessarily result in equal sharing of genetic material, so they may be discordant for genetic mutation or may have the same genetic disease but with marked variability in expression. Teratogenic events, as shown in the diagram, is monochorionic diamniotic twins. The difference between the two types, monozygotic and dizygotic, are shown here. They are: in monozygotic twins, the frequency remains constant, but the frequency changes in dizygotic twins. In monozygotic, they have same sex, but in dizygotic, they are not necessarily same sex. Monozygotic has identical appearance, but dizygotic never identical appearance. Monozygotic have blood group same, but not necessary in dizygotic. Monozygotic have one common placenta, but in dizygotic there are two placenta. The circulation intercommunication is present in monozygotic, but it is absent in dizygotic. There is one chorion in monozygotic and two chorions in dizygotic. There is separate amnion for each fetuses in monozygotic, and there are two amnions in dizygotic twins. In monozygotic twins, when cleavage occurs in between the day 1 to 3 during merula stage, dichorionic diamniotic twins develops. When the cleavage occurs between the day 4 to day 8 in blastocyst stage, monochorionic diamniotic twins develops. When the cleavage occurs between the day 8 to day 13 during implanted blastocyst, monochorionic monoamniotic twins develops. And when the cleavage occurs between the day 13 to 15, when the embryonic disc is developed, then conjoined twins develops. Now the varieties of twin pregnancy, that is craniopagus, thoracopagus, that is also known as Siamese twins, pyopagus. Drug used for induction of ovulation may produce multiple fetuses to the extent of 20 to 40% following gonadotropin therapy, although to a lesser extent 5 to 6% following clomiphene citrate. Lie and presentation. The most common lie of fetus is longitudinal, 90%, but malpresentations are quite common. Both vertex 50%, first vertex and second breech 30%, first breech and second vertex 10%. Twin pregnancy, when both heads, one head is up and another head is down, as shown in the figure. Clinical features, usually large abdomen for period of gestation, dyspnea, difficulty in walking, edema of abdominal wall, vulva and lower extremities, varicosities of the veins are common, lack of sleep, fatigue, headache, indigestion, excessive salivation, anemia. These are the common features. Then hydramnios, hyperemesis, constipation and increased frequency of maturation may be found. Pregnancy complications. 2 to 3-fold increases in multiple pregnancies. There may be threatened or spontaneous abortions, hyperemesis, severe anemia, hypertensive disorders of pregnancy, gestational diabetes, antepartum hemorrhage, preterm, premature rupture of membrane, operative deliveries. Postpartum hemorrhage also increases 3 to 4-fold in multiple pregnancies. Increased maternal mortality. Fetal complications are congenital malformations, low birth weight baby, preterm birth, monochorionic pregnancy complications, perinatal asphyxia, fetal death, cord accidents, and increased perinatal mortality. External parasitic twin. This is grossly defective twin or merely fetal parts attached externally to a relatively normal twin. Another word is fetus in fetu. Early in development, one embryo may be enfolded within its twin. Another term is twin-twin transfusion syndrome. It is also very important. Twin-twin transfusion syndrome occurs 5 to 17% of monochorionic twin. Mortality irrespective of gestational age is 60 to 70%. Mechanism is deep AV vascular anastomosis. Twin-to-twin transfusion syndrome is found in blood is transfused from donor twin to its recipient sibling. Donor is anemic and growth may be restricted. Recipient become polycythemic with circulatory overload and may manifest as hydrops. Classic TTTS results from unidirectional flow through AV anastomosis. Deoxygenated blood from donor placental artery pumped into a cotyledon shared by recipient. Once oxygen change is completed in the chorionic villus, oxygenated blood leaves the cotyledon via a placental vein of the recipient twin. Clinically important TTTS is frequently chorionic, results from significant volume differences. Presence in mid-pregnancy donor fetus is oliguric due to decreased renal perfusion and develops oligohydramnios. The recipient is polyhydramnios. The diagnosis and management part of multiple pregnancy will be covered in the next class. Thank you.